Well, you've always heard the phrase, there's an app for that. Well, when there's something wrong with you, seems like there's always a pill for that. Well, how about a drug-free treatment to cure any depression or anxiety that you might have? Joining us is Mark White from a Mind and Body Clinic in Crocker Park. Mark, thank you so much for coming on the show.
Pleasure.
Drug-free treatment, like there seems to be a pill for everything out there, but there is a new therapy out there. I don't even know if it's new. Nexlin therapy. Explain what it is and how it can benefit everyone.
So Nexlin's what they call a cranial stimulator. Basically, it's a frequency generator. So the body communicates through frequencies. If you dial into the right frequency in the body, you can actually talk to it and tell it what you want to do. It's like dialing into a frequency on your radio, and the more specific the frequency, the clearer the signal.
I mean, our brain is our body's computer, so frequency, relate to it that way.
When you have a mood disorder, or when you have ADD, depression, anxiety, basically that is a symptom of an imbalance in the brain. And the brain is the body's computer. It is the super processor, and it's just out of balance. So as you reset your computer at home, what we can do is reset the structures in the brain that are associated with the symptoms related to anxiety and depression. And so it's a drug-free, natural treatment that stimulates the brain's ability to regulate itself.
Okay, now what I like is that it's drug-free. You could try this first before you go into the drug arena, so to speak. And then you might be pleasantly surprised saying, no side effects, and I'm in a great mood because it changed my frequency in my brain.
Well, it doesn't change the frequency. What it does
Tweaks
is
it.
Normalizes it. No, we don't tweak, we normalize. That's what's important to remember here. The brain works best when it's normal, when it's balanced. That's what the whole body does.
You were talking about ADD and insomnia and just a number of other things, but there's a topic out there, I see it on TV all the time, fibromyalgia.
Fibromyalgia.
Can this actually help things like that?
So interesting. So we had a lot of patients that came to us suffering from anxiety and depression related to their fibromyalgia diagnosis.
Oh, wow.
So we were actually treating the anxiety condition first. And what we found is, remember that we're treating and normalizing the brain and the associated nervous systems, okay? So fibromyalgia simply put is an overactive nervous system.
Okay.
Okay? So by normalizing the activities in the brain related to the nervous system, we found that the fibromyalgia and the symptoms associated with fibromyalgia were dramatically reduced, as well as the anxiety associated with the fibromyalgia. So the patients were able to reduce their medications, they were able to get back out into life, they were able to get down on the floor and play with their kids. There was no more of the pain and discomfort from the fibromyalgia associated with that condition, and the symptoms were relieved with Nexlin.
All right, Mind and Body Clinic, Crocker Park, 440-723-9800. Go to mindandbodycrockerpark.com. Mark, thank you very much.